Are you looking to enable wallet system functionality on your WooCommerce store, or do you want to allow customers to perform e-commerce transactions using the wallet system? If yes, then the wallet system for WooCommerce will help you to set up the digital wallet system on your WordPress website in just a few steps, with exclusive features like email notification to customers, wallet balance withdrawal, wallet amount transfer, and much more. So let's start with the demo video and understand how easily you can set up the wallet system for WooCommerce plugin for free. Hello everyone, this is Manam from and we are back with another exclusive demo video on wallet system for WooCommerce free plugin. So in today's demo video, I will explain you about how you can easily configure the front end and the back end settings of this free plugin. And I will also explain you about the advantages of the plugin at last. So keep watching the video till the end so that you don't miss out any plugin functionality. And if you are new to our channel, make sure to like and share the video and subscribe to our channel. So let's first understand what is wallet system for WooCommerce. So what is wallet system for WooCommerce? Wallet system for WooCommerce is a plugin that will assist or help the WooCommerce merchant or the admin to add or implement a digital wallet system on the WooCommerce store so that the customers can perform the shopping transactions using the wallet system. So we are on the WordPress dashboard, and if you haven't downloaded the plugin, we have mentioned the link in the description content so you can download and install the plugin. So after installing the plugin, you have to move to WordPress dashboard and you have to click on wallet system. So we are on the backend settings of wallet system for WooCommerce, and these are the 7 tabs that are general settings, wallet, wallet transaction, withdrawal request, REST API, system status, and overview section. So firstly, I'm going to explain you about the overview section. So we have provided the overview section in order to help the admin or the WooCommerce merchant to get a basic idea about the plugin and what are the features that are included in this free plugin. So this was all about the overview section. Now let's move to general settings. So in the general settings, the admin or the WooCommerce merchant will get all the fields, including enabling the various functions like enabling the plugin, wallet recharge, refund to wallet, and much more. So the first field is enable the plugin. So as soon as the admin or the WooCommerce merchant clicks on this toggle button, the wallet system will start functioning on the WooCommerce store. Next field is wallet recharge. So with this functionality, the admin or the WooCommerce merchant can allow the customers to recharge their wallet using payment method available on the WooCommerce store. Refund to wallet. So with this refund to wallet feature, the admin or the WooCommerce merchant can let the customer receive their refund in the WooCommerce wallets. So the admin or the WooCommerce merchant, according to the customer requirements or business needs, can enable or disable this feature for the refund to wallet. Send email on wallet amount update to customers. So as soon as the admin or the WooCommerce merchant clicks on this toggle button, so with this feature, it will let the customer to receive an email notification whenever the wallet amount is updated. So we have provided these features that can be set up according to the customer requirements and business needs. So these features will definitely help to increase the customer engagement, customer trust, and increase conversions on your store. So after doing all the settings, you have to click on Save Settings. So all the settings have been saved. Now let's move to next setting, that is wallet. So we are on the wallet settings. With wallet settings, the admin or the WooCommerce merchant can customize the wallet amount of all users, import wallet for users, and much more. So the first feature is edit wallets of all users at once. So with this functionality, the admin or the WooCommerce merchant can credit or debit the wallet amount of all users in bulk. So it reduces the time if it has to be done individually for every single user. So the amount that will be accepted should always be in whole number. It should not be in decimal or in fractions. Like if I want to enter like 100. So if I have entered the amount as 100, so I can choose two actions like credit or debit. So if I choose credit and click on update wallet, So this amount will be credited to all of the 4 users. Like as you can see, the notification has come updated wallet of 4 users out of 4. Like these are the 4 users, and the amount will be credited to all of the 4 users. Like if I want to perform the action individually, so I can select on this option and I can choose the amount for the debit or credit. Like I have entered like 50 and I want to debit the amount. So if I click on this, so as you can see, the amount has been debited from this particular user account. So we have also provided a functionality, and I have shown you in the previous setting that for every updation of the user's wallet, the user will be getting an email notification. Like if the amount has been credited or debited, the user will get a notification. So at last I will show you how the notifications will receive on the email. So the next feature is import wallet for users. So with this functionality, the admin can edit the wallet balance of all users with a CSV file and then import in the CSV. So here you can import the wallet for users using a CSV file. So we have provided a search bar above the wallet transaction, so where the list can be filtered with the help of the keyword. Like if I search like admin, so here you can see that along with the usage of keywords, we can also see the wallet transaction list. So we have also provided a wallet user list where the WooCommerce merchant or the admin can view the wallet user list, edit the wallet amount individually, and view wallet transaction history. So here you can see that all the transaction history and all the users are shown in this wallet user list, and the actions can be performed individually for the debit if you want to debit the amount or if you want to credit the amount in the wallet. So this was all about the wallet settings. Now let's move to next setting, that is wallet transactions. So we are on the wallet transactions tab. So with this wallet transaction tab, the admin or the WooCommerce merchant can view the list of all transactions that were done by the customer and can also see the edits that have been done by the WooCommerce merchant into the customer's wallet. So these are the transaction details that can be checked by the admin, like a name and what is the email of that particular user, and what is the role and what amount and what is the payment method that has been done. Like the first is admin. So here the amount of euro 50 has been debited by the admin. Next is visitor. So as you can see, the amount is euro 100, and the details here are the amount has been credited by the admin on which particular date. So this is how the transaction details can be accessed with this wallet transactions tab. So we have also provided a search bar. So by entering a particular keyword, like if the admin wants to filter out the transaction according to the particular name, like if I have selected like visitor, and I want to sort the date like from 10th of June to 10th of June. So as you can see, on all the transactions on that particular date will be listed here. So as you can see, these are the details. So this is how easily the transaction list can be accessed with this search bar. So we have provided these features so that you can easily see the wallet transactions detail by simply entering the keyword. So this was all about the wallet transactions tab. Now let's move to next setting, that is withdrawal request. So we are on the withdrawal request tab. So with this, the admin or the WooCommerce merchant can manage the withdrawal request made by the customer. So here the admin can also make the status of the withdrawal request, like the first status is pending. So here the admin can change the status to approved or rejected. Like if the admin want to reject the withdrawal request, so simply he can select this option and the withdrawal request will be rejected. And we have also provided the option to filter the withdrawal request by the status. Like if you want to see the withdrawal request like for the approved, so simply you can set the filter as approved, so all the approved requests will be listed here. Or if you want to search by withdrawal ID, like if you want to search like I have written 139, so directly you can list out that particular withdrawal request with the help of withdrawal ID. So this is how withdrawal request tab works. Now we are going to the next tab, that is REST API. So we have added the REST API tab, which will allow the external apps to view and manage the wallet. So the access can be granted to those who have valid API keys. So as soon as you install the plugin, you can go to the REST API tab and click on Generate API Key. So it will generate the consumer key as well as consumer secret key. So with generating the API key, the admin can manage the REST API details like authentication, retrieve users, and retrieve particular user wallet amount, and retrieve particular user wallet transactions, and also update the wallet of users. So all these things can be done with this REST API keys. So all the settings have been done for the wallet system for WooCommerce. Now let's move to next tab, that is wallet recharge orders. So here the admin or the WooCommerce merchant can see the wallet recharge placed by the customers. So here the admin can view a particular order and change the order status of that particular order, like this order has been on hold. So if the admin wants to change the status, like if he wants to change the status as completed, so he can simply clicks on this option. And if you want to send an email invoice or resend new order notification or regenerate download permission, so he can choose any of the actions. Like if I want to send the email invoice, so I will click on this. And if the admin does not want to complete this order, or if he wants to refund that order, so simply he can click on this option and the amount will be refunded to the wallet. So after doing all the settings, you have to click on update. So now all the backend settings have been done. Now let's move to the shop. So all the settings have been done from the backend. Now let's move to shop page and see how these settings will reflect on the front end. So we are on the shop page, and firstly I will show you how you can make a payment or the place order by using the wallet amount. So basically wallet system comes into account if your card or if your debit card or credit card is not working properly, or if you have not sufficient amount. So basically the wallet system can be the best fit option to buy the product. So now let's click on this product. So we have selected the 2 quantity, and let's click on proceed to checkout. So here you can select this option wallet payment, and the amount is deducted from your wallet. The notification is coming. So let's click on place order. So as you can see, the order has been received and the payment method that we have selected is wallet payment. So now I have shown you how you can make payment using wallet amount for any of the orders. Now let's see how customer can see the transaction details of wallet or make withdrawal request or add money to the wallet. So now let's go to my account and click on wallet. So as you can see in the wallet balance display, the customers will be able to see the customer wallet balance. Like for now the balance is euro 1193. So here we have provided 4 options like add balance, wallet transfer, wallet withdrawal request, transactions. So the first is add balance. So with this, the customer can recharge their wallet with the available payment methods on the WooCommerce store, and the balance will be added after the admin set the wallet recharge order to complete. Like if I've selected this, so here I can add a amount and click on proceed. So here is the amount for recharge, and I have to click on place order. So the order has been received, and when the admin from the backend sets this order to complete, so then the amount that I have added will be added on the wallet. So this is how the balance can be added on the wallet. So now let's again move to my account, click on wallet. Next is wallet transfer. So with this wallet transfer, here the customer can enter the email ID to whom he wants to transfer the wallet amount, and here he can enter the amount and what is the purpose for transferring this amount. So by filling all the details, he can transfer the wallet amount to the different wallet user. Next is wallet withdrawal request. So with this wallet withdrawal request, the customer can enter the amount for which he want to withdraw the amount. If I have selected like 100, and you have to enter the note for which you want to withdraw the wallet amount. Like here you can type whatever you feel like. So by this you have to enter and you can request for withdrawal. So the admin from the backend, it depends upon the admin to approve or reject the amount wallet withdrawal request. Next is transactions. So with this wallet transaction, the customer can see all the transaction details, including the debit, credit, or wallet recharge. Like you can see this is the details of the wallet, and this is the amount and what was the method, like wallet payment, or it has been added by the admin manually. So these are the transaction details that you can check. So we have provided these features so that not only it will help the customer to access these features, but the plugin will ultimately help to increase the engagement on the store. So now let's see how the customer will get an email notification when the admin credits or debits the customer wallet. So as you can see, we have got the notification as merchant has credited your wallet by euro 100. So this is how every time the customer will be getting an email notification every time the admin makes changes to the customer's wallet account. So this was all about the wallet updating notification. Now let's see what are the advantages of wallet system for WooCommerce. So with the wallet plugin, it will help the WooCommerce merchant or the admin to credit or debit the wallet amount of the customers in bulk. Moreover, the wallet system for WooCommerce assists the admin or WooCommerce merchant to see all the wallet recharge order in a separate orders list. In addition to that, the plugin offers the feature by which the customers can make withdrawal requests to WooCommerce merchant by providing their data. Moreover, the WooCommerce merchant can see the wallet amount and transaction history of all the users. And with the wallet system for WooCommerce plugin, the customers can shop and make payments on the store using the WooCommerce wallet. Moreover, with the wallet plugin, the customers can recharge their wallet amount into their WooCommerce wallet using the payment method allowed by the WooCommerce merchant. So this was all about the demo video of wallet system for WooCommerce plugin. So if you have any doubts regarding the plugin functionality, you can mention your queries in the comment section and we will be glad to help you. So if you liked our video, make sure to hit the like button and share the video. So till the next video, stay connected with us. Thank you.